RG guys.
There, we have
This
it.
one?
No!
This one.
No.
This one. Want me to snap? Hello, Turbo?
Yes?
Yes, I already find the RG. This is the RG, right?
I cannot.
Guys, before we proceed, say RG.
RG.
Great! Now, you will need to disconnect your phone from the wall jack and connect it directly to the RG.
Okay, wait. There's no. Okay, it's connected. Let me try if my phone will work, okay? So X. Wow! My phone is already working.
We have a starting Facebook later.
Bravo, Turbo.
So that means that the problem is the wall jack. To fix that problem, I will need to send the technician and there will be a $149 charge for the repair. Is that okay?
See, no problema, Turbo. Don't worry, I'm very rich. I'll pay for it.
Wonderful. I will have it scheduled. Is there anything else?
I think that's all, Turbo. Gracias, amigo. Boss, I'll give you the resignation,
Loot.
Wait.
Boss, you need to send that to us.
Rich.
I'll upload it to YouTube.